To initiate the self-cleaning filter system, move the on-off switch to the 1 position and adjust the airflow speed control to max. Then insert the end of the hose directly into the self-cleaning button on top of the vac. Now press the button all the way down 4 times to clean the filter. We recommend you repeat the process 2 or 3 times to effectively agitate the remaining dirt and debris on the filter. This red LED will blink when suction is poor and time to clean the filter or empty the collection bag. Ignoring this for too long will result in a filter that looks like this, which only reduces the vacuum's effectiveness and life of the filter. And one last tip on maintaining maximum suction is to regularly check and replace the collection bag when it's full. This is also a good opportunity to give the inside of the collection tub a good wipe out of any residual dust not collected in the bag. To learn more how-to, tips and tricks, go to ryobi.com.au or check out our YouTube channel. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest releases.
RYOBI, a cut above.